Today we're talking about a crop that accounts for only about 1.5% of the world's caloric intake, but still serves as a staple for over 800 million people. To continue our series on the world's most important crops, we'll be diving into manioc, also known as cassava or yuca. Welcome back to FreshKtown. Manioc is a starchy root crop that provides an essential energy source, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. A 100-gram serving of cooked manioc can contain about 191 calories, primarily from carbohydrates, along with a small amount of protein, fiber, and important micronutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. But even though manioc is a good crop for energy production, it lacks significant protein and fat. Manioc thrives in hot and humid conditions and is remarkably resilient. Unlike crops like rice or wheat, it tolerates poor soil and can grow in regions with unpredictable rainfall. However, it does best in well-drained soils with annual rainfall between 500 and 5,000 millimeters. The biggest producers are Nigeria, Thailand, Indonesia, Brazil, and the DRC. Unlike grains, manioc is propagated from stem cuttings rather than seeds. Farmers typically plant cuttings into the soil, spacing them about 1 meter apart, resulting in roughly 10,000 plants per hectare. Once planted, manioc has a relatively long growing period, often taking 8 to 12 months to reach maturity. During early stages, weed control is crucial since manioc grows slowly at first. Unlike other staple crops, manioc doesn't have high fertilizer demands, but phosphorus and potassium can boost root growth. Interestingly, excessive nitrogen can lead to excessive foliage at the expense of the edible roots. Having excess leaves wouldn't be the end of the world either though, as also they are edible. When it's time to harvest, the roots are dug up by hand or with the help of machinery, depending on the scale of production. Manioc harvests are variable, however, making it an excellent crop for food security. Unharvested manioc can remain in the ground for months without spoiling, making it a reliable emergency food source. But since manioc roots have a short shelf life after being harvested, they are often processed into flour, starch, or fermented products for longer storage. A crucial factor to remember, though, is that raw manioc roots and leaves contain glycosides, which can release toxic cyanide if not processed correctly. Proper peeling, soaking, and cooking eliminate this risk, making manioc a safe and widely consumed food. Apart from food, manioc is also used in industrial applications. It's an important ingredient in animal feed, paper production, pharmaceuticals, and even bioethanol. In summary, manioc is a resilient and versatile crop that provides food security for millions. Its ability to thrive in poor soils, tolerate drought, and remain in the ground for extended periods make it a lifeline for farmers in tropical regions. And as a final fact, manioc is one of the earliest domesticated plants. It has been cultivated for around 9,000 years, with its origin tracing back to the Amazon region. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, make sure to like and subscribe. If there's another topic you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep on growing. Peace.